Welcome everyone, both far and near. Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Denesha Jarrett-Mitchell. If you want to know a little bit more about me, go ahead and click that description box below. I have a little secret to let you in on. Did you know that subscribing to this channel is free of cost? Yes, it is. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Hold on 1 minute. I want you to come back here right yourself at 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning for a reading of the Jamaican New Testament.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, reading a come from Mark 2, 18 to 22. Now John the Baptist follower them and the Pharisee them did a keep away from food. Some people come to Jesus and ask him, say, what make John follower them and the Pharisee them a keep away from food and fear follower them nah do that? Jesus answered them, say, you think say people them where the bridegroom invite her in wedding to keep her from food when amongst them? When the bridegroom amongst them can't keep her from food. But the time I go come when the bridegroom I go get take away from them. That time there, them I go keep away from food. Nobody no use piece of new cloth and patch up old clothes. If them do that, when them wash the clothes, the new cloth I go tear away from the old one and left one bigger hole than when he did it before. Nobody no throw a new wine in an old wine bottle. The bottle I go mash up and the old wine I go waste. What people do, I put new wine in a new bottle. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.